So, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, back again with another video. As you can see, we're out and about on the Marauder. It's early morning. Don't know if these guys are gonna turn, so hopefully these guys is going. Come on. Go on, buddy. I just following up a little bit. I'll put that up. Anyways, welcome back, guys. It's early morning. Going to work. Haven't really gone on the bike to work in like over a week. Had a couple days off last week, so I didn't really go into the office. So hey, it's good to be back. One thing is I don't have my comms unit on the helmet right now, so there's no music. So it's gonna be a really weird ride because it's been a while since I've gone on the bike commuting to work with no music on. Still early in the morning. It's like summertime, but still. The days are getting smaller. The days are getting smaller already. Like it's only like 6 o'clock. Feels a little dark out. Maybe it's because I have my tinted the visor on right now. Maybe that's why it seems a little dark. But yeah, just going out about, going for a little ride, you know. Of course, we're rocking the Raven Moto gloves. If you guys are interested, go to ravenmoto.co and use code MOTOMARAUDER for 10% off your entire purchase. It's a affiliate link. Well, it's an affiliate code. So if it's purchased from the site, full transparency, you guys get a 10% discount, and I get a bit for myself as well to help out the channel, help keep the Marauder on the road. So it's a win-win for all of us. So if you're interested, hit up ravenmoto.co, use code MOTOMARAUDER for 10% off your entire purchase. Get that out of the way. It's a cold day today. It's like cold, like in comparison to the last few months. Like 30s, like mid 30s and all that. Now it's like the low 20s. Right now it's like 21 degrees outside Celsius. So it's not cold, but it's colder than usual. So got a jacket on. Have a jacket on and everything, and just headed into the office. Hey, caramba, man! Can't wait to get there, get some coffee or whatnot. All right, we're going on the highway. See how this goes. It's early morning, but it feels like it's busier than usual. Let's see. Feels very good today. It's very responsive. It just feels good. Much better than usual. Still need to figure that out for this helmet, how to reduce the amount of wind noise in the vlogs. Anyways, getting on to the main topic of today's video. Guys, I probably sound so tired right now. My god. Anyways, getting to the main topic of today's video. This past weekend, me and my buddies have gone to the raceway again, you know, the drag strip. And just so you guys know, there's been a ton of new shorts from all the races that were happening there, so be on the lookout for those. But we went to the raceway, watched the races, my friends competed, and I just got the itch, you know, I just got the itch to either like go on the Marauder and go on the strip, see how fast we can go, or fix up a car or grab a car and make a drag build. I just really have the itch to like participate in that, you know, not just on the sidelines, but just participate. So I'm trying to think, do I want to do that on this Marauder, the BZ800, or is that too low power to actually go down the strip for any competitive like value to that, right? Should I try it on this and then over the get a baseline spec, then over the winter do some work to it, like bigger jets, an intake, a 2-in-1 exhaust, and just see, and a tune, if anything, try to see if I can pull some power out of it. Should I not do that and just save up and get a bigger bike or a sports bike and try to use that down the strip? Or just work on a car and make a little car build, you know, for the strip. I don't know. I just have the itch because it seems like I have the itch because it feels like we are going to be going there more often, and they're going to be participating more often, and the fear of missing out, FOMO is getting real. I've been like, damn, I really want to participate. Would the Marauder be like worth bringing down to the track after some work to it? And I don't know, I've never really built a bike before. This is my first bike, you know, but I'm really interested right now. So I don't know what to do. I'll try to figure out, maybe get another bike, maybe something with a bit more power. I don't know, but I think on a good day, like in best condition, this bike stock has run about the mid-14s, I think. I read online, which is nice, straight up nice. I just want the experience, right? Something like a baby. But all the other bikes I've seen were going the 12s, going into like the low 10s, and even the 8s. There are some like ZX14Rs going in the low 8s. I was like, damn, that's quick. I'm thinking, what do you guys think? Should we try and push the power of the Marauder, bring it down the strip, get a baseline, and then start the build over the winter and see how it goes for next season? Or should I get another bike to do that on, or should I do that on a car? It seems like the easiest way for me would probably be a bike, because, well, maintenance-wise and stuff for that might not be as expensive. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, we were at the track. It was fun. We got the boys out. We had a good old time. Just a good time, dude. So let me know what you guys think. Leave down in the comments. Do you guys want us to do a drag build on the Marauder, or if you have any suggestions on a budget drag bike or car build that you guys would like to see? Or maybe go on the drag on the E46, you know? That thing's getting some work done to it recently. I've been able to get some time to get underneath the hood of that and just do some work on it. So, what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below what you guys would like to see. Should we beef up the Marauder over this next year, or should we get a Gixxer 600 or a CBR 600 or a ZX6R and try and beef that up for the drag strip? Or should we just go with a car like E46 or pick up a project car like I've been planning to? Your guys' call. I would like to know what you guys would like to see, because this channel is to document my car experiences, but also for you guys as well. You guys have been amazing with the support from me since day one. I would like to know your I would like to have your feedback and know what you guys would like to see as well. Alright? So this is your boy Jay signing out. This is your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder signing out. I wish you all have an amazing day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Alright? See ya.